Mic check. There you go. You happy? Sorry, guys. A little bit of a new setup today, so I'm still fumbling around with it a little bit. Welcome to Market Watch Wednesday. I am your host, John Maz. This is Side Hustle Enterprise, where we talk about everything that I am doing financially, whether it be different side hustles, whether it be market updates, cryptocurrency, mining, you name it. I've tried it. We've done it. Let's discuss it. Um, Welcome Roman to the chat. Roman's always in the chat. He's always a big supporter. I appreciate all the feedback, Roman, and all the help over on Discord. If you guys would like to join in on the Market Watch Wednesday, we go live every Wednesday. You can hit up the chat with Roman or slide over to Discord and join the conversation over there. Little bit of a slow day today. Not much going on in my world. Like I said, got a new setup here. We just started a new podcast where if you cannot catch the Market Watch Wednesday live, you can always check us out on the podcast. As always, there are links in the description down below. Whether it be for Webull, whether it be for the podcast, whether it be for crypto.com and buying Doge, whatever you want, whatever you need. We got it all. Come on, come all. All right, so let's take a look. Well, I got the chart up right now. Let's talk about Dogecoin. I know everyone's probably freaking out a little bit when it comes to Doge and the bit of a dip that they took the past couple days here. Nothing too crazy to panic about. As always, I'm a long time Doge supporter. Very bullish on Doge, whether I'm mining it or I'm buying it. Good opportunity that I see to buy it and to buy it right now. Like I said in my previous video, if you caught my video on Monday with my dog Moo, I talked about me buying Doge all the way up to about 6.3 or 6.4, so that's 6 cents. So it's 0.063, 0.064. That's pretty much my ceiling for where I want to stop buying Doge. Um, I'm all about dollar cost averaging when it comes to trading, when it comes to investing. So I want a dollar cost average down, bringing down that average cost per coin, or in stock market, average cost per share. So 6.3, 6.7, 6.4, that range is pretty much my ceiling. Anything above that, if I'm purchasing it, I'm dollar cost averaging up now, and it doesn't make sense for me to do that. I want a dollar cost average down as much as I possibly can. Roman's asking, did you see the Doge on NASCAR? Of course, I saw the Doge on NASCAR. It's actually the second time that Doge has been in a NASCAR race officially. I think when they were in Talladega, I think they're trying to do it again. Originally, they were back in 2017. We saw Doge in a NASCAR race, and back in 2017, it was sponsored by Doge believers, Doge holders. So that was pretty cool to see the community come together, and was able to buy sponsorship for NASCAR. Um, but that's one of the big things that I love about Doge is the community. The community around this coin is so strong. I know we have a lot of influx of paper-handed people trying to get into Doge right now, but guys like myself and a lot of the guys on Discord, where we got those diamond hands, where we're holding Doge for the long term. My personal goal is to gain as much Doge as I possibly can, whether it be by mining or buying before it hits $1. Um, I'm going to continue to mine it all the way up until that point and past it. Buying it, though, I might hold off a little bit, get some of my money back, wait again, like I said. Buying that dip right now. You can see the chart behind me. This is a 1 hour chart for Dogecoin, and the current price is sitting pretty at 0.0552. Some red candles here pushing down. Like I said, I'm not too worried about it. We had some big news in the crypto world just recently with Elon Musk talking about Tesla is now accepting Bitcoin. So if you are a Bitcoin holder or a cryptocurrency holder, you can now buy your Tesla with Bitcoin, which I thought was really cool of him to do. We all knew it was coming, but for him to make an official announcement, which was really nice. And I'll link that article down below here. Pull it up for everybody that's following us on YouTube. So it was a CNBC article that I stumbled upon that I was reading, talking about what to watch today. Stocks set to bounce after Tuesday's board sell-off. So if you've been watching the market, if you're into investing, I'm sure you've seen the past couple days that the market has dipped quite a bit. It's to be expected. I mean, we can't have bull runs 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You're going to have some sell-offs. You're going to have some red days. That's the whole point of investing. And if you're smart about it, you can make money as it goes down, not as it just goes up. So, it happens. It's, we saw, for example, here, scroll down a little bit. We saw GameStop, big meme stock right now, fell 12% pre-market after the company acknowledged in a filing that it's considering selling additional equity shares after the closing bell Tuesday. GameStop missed on the top and bottom lines with quarterly results, but it did see e-commerce sales jump 175% for the quarter. The company also named a former Amazon and Google executive, Jenna Owens, as its new COO. So that's big. I mean, it fell a little bit, but whenever a company comes out with big news that changes the whole structure of the company, you're gonna see some dips and valleys, unless it says something like Jeff Bezos buys GameStop. I don't know if that'll ever happen, but something like that would definitely push GameStop to a new level. Very, very interesting stuff. We scroll down a little bit further. Talks about Elon Musk announced late Tuesday that it's now possible to buy a Tesla vehicle in the U.S. with Bitcoin. You can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin, tweeted CEO Musk, who was also officially made the techno king, of Tesla. This month, people outside the U.S. will be able to buy Tesla with Bitcoin later this year, Musk said, without specifying which countries. Huge news, guys. That's a huge, major company that is now accepting Bitcoin. So we have, Elon Musk, who is a huge Bitcoin holder, huge Doge supporter, now accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for his Teslas. We have Coinbase recently finally got back to everybody trying to push for Dogecoin to be accepted on Coinbase with, hey, yeah, we're going to accept it, but certain criteria have to be met first, which is good. And I talked about that also in another video of mine about what they said. I'll try to pull it up here in a second. So we see Coinbase, we see Tesla, Coinbase going public and, talking about bringing Doge on. If you haven't had a chance, Crypto.com does sell Doge. You can buy Doge right on Crypto.com with your debit card, your bank account. Real easy to link and set up. There's a link in the description down below, so check that out. So we're making some huge strides, some big gains. The market really isn't dictating those gains yet, but I feel that we're going to see them once things start to hit mainstream media, and not just kind of the Reddit pages and small Discord servers like mine and so on. So once we start seeing that hit like CNBC, Fox, and stuff like that, I think it'll really start kicking up some of the big money, the big whales, to dive into some of these ventures like Elon Musk has done already. We've got Roman over here again saying that's awesome. Doge to Mars, absolutely. So he wants to know what stock is up and coming and what altcoin is promising after ETH's 1559. So let's go from the bottom up. Talk about ETH's 1559 fork, or I don't know what. That's not really a fork, I guess. It's they're implementing a new segue into the Ethereum network system. And with the gas fees so high right now, I don't think it's such a bad thing. I know a lot of people are against it. I'm on the fence a little bit. I'm leaning towards it being a good thing, but I'm still on the fence with 1559. Let me see if I can pull up exactly what the ETH 1559 is, so I don't misquote anything here. Okay, so the EIP 1559 free market overhaul greenlit for July is what the article that I have found says. Again, I'll post this down below. It's by a William Foxley and Coindesk.com. If you're into crypto, Coindesk is a great place to find resources and find interesting articles on upcoming cryptos. So I recommend checking out Coindesk. A large majority of Ethereum miners are against the proposal, but that hasn't stopped developers from scheduling the upgrade for July. I don't see it really being an issue for miners. So miners can't focus on Ethereum. It's going to force them to change gears a little bit and focus on alternative cryptocurrencies. Like a big popular one right now that a lot of guys are talking about in our Discord server is Ravencoin. It's a very interesting cryptocurrency itself. It was very popular. It's shown some promising payouts for miners. So, there are alternatives out there. Don't hesitate to change your miners to something else. It says here, let me bring it over here to the big screen so everyone can see it with me here. All right. Ethereum improvement proposal, EIP 1559 will be a packaged with the London hard fork this coming July, regardless of the mining industry's discontent with the proposal, according to the all core developers. Call Friday. At least 5 other EIPs are likely to join the EIP 1559 in London. Typically, blockchain transactions on this head in order to fix numerous issues with the Ethereum user experience. Traditionally, a user sends a gas fee, which are astronomically high right now. If you are getting into the NFT space, I'm sure you've noticed how high those gas fees are. So gas fees for miners are for transactions to be included in a block. The gas fee will now be sent to the network itself as a sort of burn called base fee, with only an optional tip paid to miners. The burn fee is algorithmically set as well. So it'll be very, very interesting to see how that works when you start burning coins or burning this gas fee. So what you're doing is you're converting your Ethereum to gas to pay the miners to process your transaction. So if you're burning, a lock supply of something, so Ethereum has a market cap, has a set amount of Ethereum that it can mine, right? So if we start burning Ethereum, that's going to try to push the price up. We could even see like 6K for Ethereum. Right now we've hit 2,000. I think we're just under 2K right now in the US for Ethereum. So by burning crypto by deleting it basically off the network, making it non-accessible, is going to push the price up. It's going to drive down the overall quantity of the coin, increasing the scarcity of it and driving up the price. It'll be very interesting to see if that actually happens, or if we just lose all the miners altogether because they're not getting paid as highly. But it's a double-edged sword. You drive down the price that the miners are getting paid. So what's that going to do? That's going to force technology companies to really push hard to create faster, more powerful computers and processors to mine Ethereum to make it profitable again. So by pushing it down, by eliminating it, you get rid of that stalemate that we're in right now with these crazy high gas fees. And yeah, the miners are making money hand over fist if you're an Ethereum miner, and if you have a good graphics card, you can make some decent coin right now. I don't know how long it's going to last. Obviously, probably going to end right around the July timeframe that they're going to implement this 1559. So we'll have to see what happens. Again, I'm still on the fence. I'm going to still do some reading, still do some research, and see how it turns out and what direction it's going to go in. I think as we get closer to this implementation of this 1559, we're going to see new technologies come out for miners. I think we're going to see some we already have some ASIC miners out there for Ethereum, and then we had a fork a while back, kind of making those miners not really worth what people were paying for them, and so on. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I mean, the most profitable way to mine Ethereum right now is with graphics cards. So we'll have to see how the market and how the economy responds to that plug there. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. And my phone is going crazy. So my new setup is me using my my phone to record myself here. But I can hear it buzzing. I hope you guys can't hear it buzzing in the background because it is recording me at the same time. Let's see what else we got here from Roman. Roman also wants to know promising altcoin. So yeah, we said Ravecoin. Ravencoin was a good one after the 1559. Yeah, I also hate gas fees and so on. So while we're talking about gas fees, and we're talking about Ethereum, I think it's a good time, a good segue to bring up, if I can find my, all right, so I made a video a few days back, last week actually, talking about NFTs and my NFTs, and they are still available. I'm going to bring those up here for you guys in a second that are following on YouTube. I encourage you guys to check them out, even if you just hit that like button on them and show me that I did a good job and it's interesting content. I appreciate it. Like, I'm not asking anybody to buy anything. If you want to buy something, of course I appreciate it. But just hitting that like button that you like the content means a lot. It pushes that up so more and more people can see it. So we can take a look here at what I got going on. So most of my coins, or most of my NFTs, are listed on Webull. So we can pull them up here. So my items. So I have a total of 5 NFTs on Webull that I created myself. Did not create the Elon Musk one that you see. Sorry, Elon Musk. Nikola Tesla crypto card here. I'm going to hold on to that one for a while, I think. But I got a couple other ones here. Got much paint. Hold on to the Doge. It's a little gif of some pinup models, cartoony. One painting a fence, the other one trying to hold on to the Shiba Inu dog. Much wow. Then we have a second one here. Much sidewalk collision. Another pinup style model cartoon getting run over by or getting knocked over by the Doge dog. Then we have another pinup girl on the beach getting her towel stolen by the dog, the Doge. And then last but not least was the Doge coming home and barking at its owner on the phone and frightening her. So much wow all the way around. It was fun to create. Came up with the concept, worked with another illustrator to create them. There are some unlockables when it comes to my NFTs if you'd like to check them out. So, for example, here, let's pull up the Muchwell on the beach. So, this is one of one. That's why it is such a high price. But one of the things that it comes with when you buy this NFT, which is really cool about NFTs, is you get an unlocked code. So, that unlocked code is good for merchandise on my sidehustleenterprise.com store. So right now it's just merch, t-shirts, cups, and so on. But in the future, it will be digital content as well. There'll be downloadable links and stuff like that. So right now, like I said, it's just merch. You can pick up a shirt, pick up a glass, whatever you want. So when you buy this NFT, you get a discount code that will allow you to pretty much buy as much merchandise as you want for free off my site. So that's one of the cool things that you can do with NFTs. A band, say, or a musician can embed a backstage pass or lifetime tickets to concerts in an NFT if he buys an album. So there's different things that you can kind of plug in. So that Naughty Doge on the beach comes with a discount code or free merch code with purchase of the NFT, one of one. We also have much sidewalk collision with the girl getting run over on the sidewalk. That also comes with a discount code for the site as well. So check that one out. Again, it's pretty much unlimited merch when you check out these NFTs, or if you decide to purchase an NFT. There's tons of merch on there: t-shirts, sweatshirts, cups, masks, phone cases, you name it. And if there's something that you don't see on the store that you would like to see, let me know. I'm always adding new stuff, so let me know what you got going on, what you're looking for. Maybe I can create something for you. And I try to keep the prices as low as I possibly can. Basically, all it's covering is shipping. I don't make a profit off of almost anything on my merch site. It's all just for marketing. Want to get my name out there as much as I possibly can. So I'm not making a whole lot of profit off the merch site, but I'm okay with that. It's getting my name out there and making people happy. So that's what it's all about. So those are my NFTs. Check them out. Let me know what you think of them. There are, I think, 3 out of the 4 pinup NFTs that I've created to have codes for free merch. So definitely check them out. I'll put the links in the description down below if you want to check out my collection. I'll also put a link for the store. It's sidehustleenterprise.com for the guys listening to it on the podcast. New stuff added daily. Roman has already been, buying stuff off the site already. Appreciate the support, Roman. We got all sorts of stuff: stickers, flasks. When it comes to water flasks, coffee mugs, stainless steel, some Dogecoin support stickers and stuff like that. So I'm trying to add to it as often as I can, but definitely check it out. Like I said, let me know if you are interested in something specific that's not there. I'll be more than happy to add it for you. One of the things I got asked recently, since we're moving right along here, and I'm talking about merch, is how I create some of this stuff, whether it be the NFTs or it be some of the merch for the t-shirts. I'm going to share my secret with you live right now. I'm not going to make a video of it, so if you are live on the channel and you follow me, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show the channel some love. It really helps me out, push that algorithm to the next level. But I'm going to share my secret that I use when it comes to creating merchandise and NFTs. And I'll put a link in the description to the site down below. It's called Canva. There are a few other ones out there. I've been using Canva for years. I really like the site. And I just recently saw that they were doing TV commercials now and stuff like that. So I thought that was really cool, considering that I've been using them since basically the day they came out. I jumped on them and been using them. And I know a lot of other people that use it. I have a friend of mine that owns a motorcycle shop in Florida that uses Canva to create all his posters and all his advertisements. I pay for the premium version of it so I can unlock some additional content, but you don't have to do that pro setup. It's free to use. It has some amazing templates, just for free to check out. So whether I'm creating my logos, or I'm creating my thumbnails for YouTube, or T-shirts, inspirational posters, whatever it may be, Canva is a great resource for you guys out there, especially people that have that creative knack, or that real creative side of them, and you're stuck at home doing something. You can create something here on Canva, or sell a service on, say, Fiverr, and come over to Canva and create that poster that they're asking for, or that logo that they're asking for, and sell it to them. So you could almost create an entire business just based upon what you can create through Canva. So that's a little side hustle, tip that I'm going to throw out there for you guys. If you're looking for something to do, it is a competitive market, and you do have to be very good at what you do. Um, I also, with Canva, I use Autodesk Sketchbook, and I have a little sketch tablet, that's connected to my computer, so that helps me quite a bit. But it's not something that you necessarily need. Um, I'm not the best artist anymore. My hands don't work as well as they used to after years and years of welding. Um, so like I said, you don't have to be a fantastic artist. Just be creative. They have so many different plugins and templates that you can use and create from, and put your own twist on. That more and more people, I encourage you, check it out. Link in the description down below. Like I said, it'll be a nice little side hustle, bring in a little extra money for you if you are the creative type. Create something on Canva, or post that on Fiverr, that you create advertisements for Instagram, or you create thumbnails for YouTube, and then come over to Canva and just create them. They have the tablets already set up for you for the right format and everything to just go ahead and create, and express yourself, and maybe get a couple clients in the meantime, right? So that's my little tip of the day, my little side hustle trick. If you guys are looking for something to do, if you're looking for a little bit of income and you are creative, check out Canva and combine it with Fiverr or Upwork or some of these other sites that pay for freelance service. Kind of a way to make some extra coin on the side. I've tried it in the past. It's not something that you definitely have to be focused on it. With me having so much other stuff going on, whether it be investing or cryptocurrency and the mining, my kids here at home, which are screaming in the next room, uh, definitely something you have to focus on and really plug away at it. But it is a way to make some decent coin. Being a freelance, Instagram story creator or YouTube thumbnail creator. So little interesting tidbit there for everyone that's following along, and looking for those side hustle nuggets that we throw out there. So hope that helps. Very interesting. Yes, Roman's been pushing me ever since Roman found out that I'm a welder. He wants me to build a mining frame for him. We can do it. We can do it. I think the distance. I have to ship it down to you or something, or figure out a way to make it collapsible. That way, you can go in a flat rate box, and you can just assemble it when you get it back to your house or something. And hey, guys, I encourage you to join the conversation. We got a lot going on. I'm talking fast, going over a lot of things. If you'd like me to covers our subject, or if you have your own opinion on the subject, I encourage everybody to join in on the conversation. Join in the channel, whether it just be hitting that subscribe button or hitting that like button. Show the channel some love. You can always slide over to Discord and join the conversation over there as well. We are live on Discord right now for anybody that wants to join the conversation, and talk to me one-on-one. So it's something that I do every Wednesday. It's something that I feel gives people a chance to really speak their mind and share their opinion. What side hustles are you doing? What are you interested in? And let's go back and forth. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. but I have owned multiple companies over the years. I taught business, business ethics, business management. So ask questions. Let's have a good conversation. All about the conversation, all about growing knowledge and learning together. Let's see what else we got going on in the news today. What's hot? Let's kind of change gears here, or rewind a little bit, get back to the stock market. I know that's a popular subject, so I don't want to miss too much. Um, let's see. Let's see what's going on with AMC, our favorite at-home and local movie theater. So if you aren't aware, AMC is now offering streaming services. Sorry, I'm keep stepping away from my mic here, trying to make it clear for you. All right, there we go. Too many screens, too little time. All right, so let's take a look at AMC. Like I said, AMC is in all over the news lately. Tons of stuff going on. Make sure you don't confuse the ticker symbol AMC with AMCX. I'm talking about AMC Entertainment Holdings. That's AMC is the ticker symbol. So just be careful. I know there were some news recently that came out that what was it? I want to say it was on CNBC or Bloomberg. Had a screenshot of AMCX, and they're like, "Oh, AMC is down. AMC is down," and in reality, it was going to the moon. We are down currently right now, but it isn't anything that I would worry too much about. They did just announce that they're having their annual meeting, or they've pushed up their annual meeting to May 4th. May the 4th be with you. I think that was pretty clever of them to kind of jump on that kind of Star Wars themed day of the year, and being a movie theater. So that was clever of them to use that. So what they're actually implementing here on May the 4th is they would like to push another 500 million shares of their company into the market as Class A common share. So it's very interesting to see how that comes out, whether it's just a ploy for them, because to do that, to push those shares into the market, every share has to be accounted for. So everybody that is all the short sellers and the short ladder tax and the price being driven down by these big wig companies, these hedge funds, if you will, whatever it may be, and they're trying to push the price down, and they're basically what they're doing is they're selling the shares back and forth to themselves, driving the price down lower and lower and lower. That's what a short ladder attack is, right? So there's these millions and millions of shares, and it's not being. The CEO himself came on live TV and is just pushing for the SEC to do an active count, to investigate what is going on, why his company is being so misrepresented on the stock exchange. And for him to say that publicly and to come out and say, hey, look, he feels his company, of course he's going to feel it's his company, but still, he feels his company is very undervalued right now. A little bit to do with the pandemic and everything like that, but the fact that there's so many companies out there, these hedge funds, these big conglomerate companies, these huge account managers are pushing the price down, not just on AMC but other companies as well, trying to pick up nickels and dimes to them, but destroying an entire company in the meantime. He said that's not fair. He doesn't like that. He wants an accurate count of his shares. He feels his company is undervalued. And he says that I think he said it live that anybody who's investing in AMC right now is it's a smart. He feels it's a smart investment. He says we have a lot to offer. We got a lot coming out, and I think he does. I think he's said some very interesting things what did Roman say? Roman said Netflix and now Paramount. Yeah, I mean, everybody's doing streaming services. Netflix being the head honcho when it comes to streaming. To have AMC, a huge movie company, now talk about streaming services, that's really big in the pandemic. We're never going to. I personally feel, I wish that things weren't this way, but this pandemic has affected our country and the world so much that I don't think we're ever going to fully get back to where we were prior to the pandemic. It's going to take decades to get there, right? So I think this was a smart ploy on AMC theaters that they're pushing out a streaming service. They're saying, hey, look, we understand you may be afraid. All our 98% of our theaters are now open, which is awesome, but we understand that you may still feel scared or skeptical about going into public. Don't feel like wearing a mask for 3 hours in a stuffy movie theater, even with the AC cranking. They're doing everything that they're doing to help make the experience more comfortable for you. We understand. We're launching this streaming service. So now the movies that are coming out in our theaters, you can watch those or stream those at home. And I think what that was cool. I think it was very interesting to see the fact that they're offering the streaming service. So the movies that they're streaming won't be on their stream service forever. As long as they're in theaters, they'll be on the streaming service, and then they'll cycle out so that the companies that own the rights to those movies can sell them to Netflix or sell them to Paramount or sell them to Disney Plus, or whoever holds the rights to that company can put them on their streaming service. But what they're saying is, well, we have the rights to it. Well, we're airing it in our theaters. Hey, you can watch it. You can stream it at home, which I thought was very, very cool of them to do. We'll have to see if it actually comes to fruition, if it's something that, people really jump at or not. It'd be very, very cool if they did. Definitely something that I would sign up for. I have YouTube TV, I have Disney Plus for the kids, we have Netflix and Hulu for the wife and I. So I'm all about the streaming services. I have quite a few of them just so I can watch all the different shows all over the place and keep up with everything. So that'd be an interesting one to do. I'm a big movie buff, and something that I enjoy doing with my son. So set up a little home theater again, and have fun doing it that way. Let's take a look back at Doge. I think I saw Roman bring up Doge again. He loves Dogecoin. Can't be down on the guy that loves Doge that much. Doge to save us, yes. And it's dropping a little bit today. Let me zoom out here so we can see the chart. Let's look at the 1 day chart. I think it's a better description of what we got going on. Now, I'm looking at the Webull chart system here. It doesn't have a full breakdown of the overall play for Robinhood. For Dogecoin over its lifetime. But we do have the super high that we saw going up to like 8 cents, 9 cents, and then we're down right now, right around 0.0546, 0.055 cents. To me, it looks like a consolidation. It really does. I think we're going to see some big players come out in the news in the next couple days. I did see some news about Vlad, the guy who runs Robinhood, talking about his team working on crypto wallets for Robinhood. So once those finally get implemented, I think we're going to see a huge spike in crypto across the board, not just Dogecoin, but a lot of other cryptocurrencies. Me personally, if the wallets get implemented and Doge doesn't hit $1 or $5, most likely I'm going to pull out my Doge, because the Doge will finally be mine that I'm holding in my Robinhood account, and I can put it on my ledger, or I can put it in crypto.com or whatever it may be. But I definitely want to get my crypto off of Robinhood while they don't have wallets available to us. Um, so definitely something that you guys want to look into and follow. So we have, talk going. I know we're talking a lot about crypto today, but it seems to be a very popular subject right now all across the country and the world. Um, so we have a Coinbase going live saying, yeah, we'll list Dogecoin, but we need you to meet these API requirements first, which is understandable. And then we have Vlad talking about Robinhood and his team pushing out crypto wallets. So once we see those crypto wallets actually implemented on our devices, and then Coinbase listing Dogecoin, I think it's going to be a huge spike immediately. So be ready for the ride. Don't sell your Doge. Hold on to it. I know Elon Musk is pushing for, or had offered cash reward for the large cryptocurrency holder or wallet holder out there for Doge to liquidate his assets. But I'm talking about to the everyday guy, the guy that is investing a portion of his paycheck every week, that is taking part of a stimulus check, or has nickeled and dimed and scraped and done different side hustles to just buy 1,000 Doge or whatever it may be. Those are the guys I'm telling to hold on to. That's what crypto is all about. It's not something that is for the faint of heart. There are huge spikes and huge valleys, so hold on to it. Calm yourself down. It's we lots of things are in the work right now. Lots of news going around Doge. 2021 is the year of the Doge. Absolutely. That is my personal opinion and my belief that 2021, 2022 is going to be huge years for Doge. I am holding on to it. My goal is to surpass 1 million Doge before it hits $1. Making myself, a millionaire. That's what my hopes and dreams are, right? It's what all of our hopes and dreams are. So, hang on to them. If you don't want to buy into them, if you don't have a whole lot of Doge, or if you just want, you're into the crypto space, you're into gambling or whatever it may be, you can always slide over to Discord and join the Doge lottery that we have going on over there. So currently we have, let's see if I can pull it up for everyone to see here live on YouTube, what the current balances of our Doge lottery. All right, so let's slide this on over. All right, so there you go. We currently have 8,006 Doge sitting pretty in our Doge lottery that is on Discord. If you'd like to join in on the lottery, slide on over to Discord, message me, message Roman. There's a whole breakdown on what you have to do to get involved in it. Current buy-in is 10 Doge for one entry. There are quite a few entries already in place. Like I said, this is a Discord-funded raffle going on. I'm not taking part in it. I helped put it together. I funded a large portion of the raffle itself for my own holdings, but the majority of this balance is based upon people's buy-ins. So we're going to have 3 winners, first, second, and third place. Be launched April 20th will be the day for the drawing, and we'll do it live here on YouTube as well for everyone to see. So if you'd like to join in, you'd like to, just one entry. You never know. It's a random draw. You could come in third place with one entry or first place with one. You never know. I know Roman over there with his. Let's see how many entries Roman has. Let's broadcast this to everybody. Maybe we'll have somebody knock him out of the top seed. I think he's in the top. Yeah, Roman's sitting pretty with 240 entries. Who's coming for you, Roman? Are you going to sit pretty at number one spot for forever? Roman's over here. No, I don't know what you're talking about. I wonder who's in first place. Yeah. We all know it's you, Roman. We all know it's you. What else we got going on in the market? Again, guys, I'm going to keep pushing this. This is a fun little outlet for anybody who wants to join the conversation. Like I said, Roman is always on the YouTube chat. He also helps me run the Discord server. If you'd like to talk to me one-on-one, join the Discord server. There's always a live voice chat going on over there. Join the YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button and join in on the conversation. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your opinion is. We'd love to have you involved. We'd love to have, share your opinion, share your thoughts. If you think I'm completely off base and I'm a crazy loon talking to a camera, so be it. I want to hear. Let's have that conversation. Let's have that debate. I'm all for it. I'm a pretty easygoing, mild mannered guy, so I don't get angry too often. But I'm always up for an interesting debate, and I invite you guys and anybody who wants to join in on the conversation to do so. Just a heads up before we take off for the day, guys. We're doing pretty well. Appreciate all the guys who have followed and subscribed thus far. We're pushing to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We're sitting right now just above 500 at 550 subscribers. So I appreciate everyone who has subscribed and joined the channel. It means a lot to me. It means a lot that you guys are supporting me this much this far. So thank you so much. If you're interested in any of the merch that we got going on, check out sidehustleenterprise.com. If you're interested in NFTs, I got the link to my NFTs down below, and I did a video on NFTs and what the hell are they. Check that out. Let me know your thoughts. If there's a specific topic that you would like me to talk about, let me know. I'll do the research for you. I'll do all the digging, and I'll share my opinion with you. I'm all about it. I'm all about the knowledge. I'm all about learning something new. So again, guys, I appreciate you. Love the support. It's been so much fun. Just hope we can get some more people in here to join the conversation and join in on with share their opinions. And until next time, guys, we'll be doing a video on Friday, so don't forget to hit that notification bell. Just be a fun video. It's kind of like the Friday Fun Day video type thing. We got Mondays is Monday Market Moves with my dog Moo, and of course we have Market Watch Wednesday, which is live every Wednesday. So guys, I appreciate you. Share the love, share the support, not just with me but with your fellow man, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.